Okay, guys. Welcome to the next part of my Mario walkthrough, and like I said, we have Matt Matthew 21 with us. Yeah, whatever. Okay, I'm here. I'm so stupid.
Remember to go to my channel.
Okay. Oh my god. On second thought, he was just thinking, about saying, just don't go on my channel, forget about it. Because his channel really sucks. It's like, Matthew's YouTube Pets. So, first there's these spike balls that want to squishing spiky, whatever. And there's like a secret little place up here. I failed to get to. But there's not much up there, just like coins. Not much. Whoa! Okay. So over here you can and you got them spike balls won't hit you. What? Dude, that wasn't close. Okay. And your first start. Whoa! Oh, come on, that wasn't fair. So your first start one's up there. It's just so unfair. Wait for the strike ball. And go through the door. This is not the boss now. If it was, this castle would be really short.
The boss or?
Yeah, this is the boss castle. This is the final boss castle. No, this is the World 2 castle. Oh my god. Oh, okay. Okay, so there is the next star coin. Oh wait, I didn't need stuff here. So get over here, click that button, die, and continue. I'm leaving that there for a reason. Oh jeez. Oh god, that is good. And it's time to go mini. Time to go mini. Whoa! Oh my god, I thought I died there. That's so close. So go down here, get the star coin, get a mushroom, and I said I left that box there for a reason. I left it there so that I could get firepower when I came back from the coin. So this is like Mama Spike Ball.
Who's the dad?
The daddy was in the beginning and it just came down from nowhere. It just like destroyed everything. Blah blah blah, yeah, whatever. Okay, let's just listen to music for a minute. Okay, so for this boss, you really kind of need firepower. I mean, you don't need it, but, oh god. But you shut up! You don't need it, but, the boss is pretty hard to defeat without firepower, so let's just run over here, let Bowser Jr. get out. I mean, not let him. Run for the big mommy thing. So if you remember from my earlier in my walkthrough, those guys, this is like the mama of those other guys. In like the beginning. Whoa! Okay. Kill the thing. It just like magically blows off. Get the key. And there's a mini secret exit in this, which I'll get later. And that takes you to World 3. Yeah, I just beat it. Well, I mean, I started a new file. And wait, this is a tropical. Oh no. Oh no. This is a tropical island. That only means one thing. Oh no. Underwater levels. Ugh, I hate those levels. I hate him. Wait, didn't I just have 20? Oh, wait, no. Okay, so, World 3 will be starting, like, next month, maybe. But Matt Matthew won't be with us. So, hey, dude, stop. Oops. But I'll be back for World 3. Thanks for watching. Whatever.